To replace the cabin air filter for this Subaru Forester does not need any tools. The location of filter is behind the glove box. First of all, open the glove box and remove the stuff inside. Then, remove the limiting stop arm on the side of the glove box. To remove it, you need to pull the stop arm outward. Next, push both sides of the glove box together to release the glove box. You should see the filter housing. Remove the old filter and clean the debris inside the cabin. Then, install the new cabin air filter. Make sure the arrow on the filter is pointing up. Put the glove box back and reinstall the stop arm. That's it, super easy. Visit www.freshenup.ca to shop the cabin air filter for your vehicle today.